Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently a look like this went viral on my channel, but it was in red and I wasn't talking in my videos yet. So I wanted to redo it so I could actually talk through it and explain how I'm doing everything. So if you guys want to see how I created this winged cut crease look, please keep watching. So like always, I just have my foundation and brows done. And I'm going to start this look using my eyeshadow primer. And this is Morphe's Eyelid Primer in Translucent. I'm just going to place a little bit of that on my eyelids. And using Huda Beauty's Face Conceal and Blend brush, I'm just going to blend that out onto my lid. Also use your finger. And I'm just going to set this using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. I'll take this on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using for this look is the James Charles palette by Morphe. I'm going to start by going in with B, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used to set my eyelids. So I'm going to make sure this color goes up to your brow bone and out in a wing. Next, I'm going to go in with 518, and I'm going to take this color on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 blending brush. Using the same motion, but keeping it a little bit lower than the yellow. Next, I'm going to be going in with Code James. And I'll be using Morphe by Jaclyn Hill's JH36 brush for that. We're just gradually making this crease darker. Also going back in with 518 and blending out the top line. And the last color I'm going to put in my crease is 10% Off. And I'm going to take this color on my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. Going in with those previous colors, and just making sure there's still a gradient. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to be going in with my BH Cosmetics 11 brush. This is a really tiny like smudger brush, but I like it as a concealer brush. And I'm going to be using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in medium 26. So I'm just going to grab some of that and just go in and start cutting. So I'd like to do a semicircle first. And now going in with a small eyeliner brush. This is just from the craft store Michaels. So I'm going to grab some and then start drawing a wing. Just start with a little wing and just make it bigger from there. Then I'm gonna go over the first half of this with So Good. Just gonna pop that on the first half of my lid. Then I'm gonna take my Sigma E56 shader and lid brush. And I'm going to pick up So Good on that just to help me get the edges. Now to make this gold a little bit more golden, I'm actually going to add some of B, the yellow color that I first used, into it. I'm going to take this same Sigma shader brush, grab some of that, and just kind of I'm going to be using the same brush for all the colors I'm about to use, and I'm going to go back in with 518, that bright orange. Just blending it into that gold. I start a little bit farther back than I want it to end up, just so it blends more evenly. Now cleaning off that brush and going in with Code James, right behind that orange. Again, cleaning it off and going in with 10% off. And then going in with Spooky for the wing. We're going to fill in the wing with actual eyeliner, so don't worry about that. It's just really blending this into Code James and 10% off. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be going in with Frankie Rose Cosmetics Midnight on that same craft store thin brush that I used to do my wing with the concealer. Just going to fill this in. Setting that with Spooky. Going back in with 10% off. To just try and blend these two colors together. So now going back in with that same liner and brush, I'm just going to do a thin line on my lash line, just so the lashes can be placed somewhere. I'm also going to just do a tiny little triangle in the inner corner. So now you can leave the look here if you want and just add lashes or mascara, whatever you want. But I like to make looks a little bit harder, so I'm going to actually go in with a little bit of a metallic liner, and this is Maybelline's Master Precise Ink in Solar Gold. And I'm actually just going to put this right above in my crease. Now for my under eye, I'm going to go back in with 10% off on my Morphe S20 pencil brush. I'm just going to blend that in under. I'm gonna brush that off and then blend that out a little bit with Code James. And then taking that big brush we used in the beginning, my JH30 brush, just blending out the entire under eye area. And then popping some 518 under there as well. Now for my lashes, I'm going to be going in Luxy Lash, and this is in Lil Miss Flex. Now I'm just going to blend my lashes out with the spoolie. Blend my lashes into the fake lashes. So I didn't want to transfer anything under my eye, so I'm going to go back in with Spooky, the black eyeshadow, on this Morphe smudger brush. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the bottom lash line, like right on it. Now for mascara, I'm going to be going in with Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. Now quickly to contour my face, I'm going to go in with Bare Minerals Tan to Dark Contour Face Shaping Powder Trio. And I'm going to go in with Shade and Blend Mixed. I'm going to take this on my Morphe Big RO brush. I'm also going to use this to contour my nose using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A27 smudger brush. And then just taking a powder brush and blending that out. Next for blush, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. And going in with Unapologetic. I'm going to take this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. And then for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Natasha Denona Super Glow in 03 Bronze. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced highlighting brush. And then my nose. My Cupid's bow. I'm also going to go in with my Sigma E46 shader inner corner brush and pop this color on my inner corner and brow bone. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the MAC Cosmetics Spice Lip Liner and filling that in with my Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Pretty Penny. So I already have lip balm on my lips. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this winged cut crease look. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Also, if you guys want to be notified when I do post a new video, be sure to click that bell icon right below this video. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. I love you, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one.